Welcome to Media World Experiential Marketing, where exceptional events come to life. With years of experience in the event industry, we are your trusted partner in creating unforgettable moments. Our team of dedicated professionals lives and breathes events from concept to execution. We've successfully orchestrated a wide range of events from exhibition to large-scale live corporate conferences. Meticulous planning, attention to detail, and a flair for creativity define our approach. Innovation is at the heart of what we do. We continuously push boundaries to deliver fresh, cutting-edge concepts. From local gatherings to international affairs, we've left our mark on the world. Network of partners and vendors spans the globe, ensuring seamless execution whenever your event takes place. But it's not just about the events, it's about the relationships that we build along the way.
Sohail, Dhawal and Ali from Media World, thank you guys. Excellent organizing. Really appreciate the hard work and for making this seamless for us in India.
So, whether you're planning a corporate conference, a dream product launch, or an exhibition, trust Media World Experiential Marketing to make it extraordinary. Contact us today and let's create an event that will leave a lasting impression. Media World Experiential Marketing. Your vision, our expertise.